Innocheer were nice enough to send us this really cool ocean playmat to show you guys what it's all about. And this fall, Kyla is gonna be home with me and we're gonna be doing our own science. It'll be an awesome idea for the parents out there or guardians that are out there trying to educate their own children because of the crazy world that we're living in right now. So I thought this would be a great thing to show you how you can do science in your house. We also can't go to the aquariums like we usually do during the summer. So I think this is a great way that we can teach our own kids and make it fun and interactive. So I thought this was great timing that this company sent this to us. So we wanted to show you what all was in it. So what do you think, Kyla?
Good.
All right, let's show them. All right, so it looks like there's a plastic something in there. You want to pull that out, Kyla?
Oh, it's a playmat. Oh.
Okay, let me show them real quick.
Animals.
Look at all these cool animals in there. And then there's a big old mat in there. All right, let's find the zipper, Kyla.
Oh, we can take it out.
Yeah, we gotta show them what's in there.
Oh, look, there's mermaids. Look, there's mermaids.
That's called coral.
Oh, there's a crab.
Crab?
We saw that at the beach.
Here, you pull them out and I'll show them. Some cool coral.
Oh, there's a shark.
And there's some sort of like
Shark.
a whale, I think.
Shark.
Shark. Really neat crab.
Baby shark.
All right. What else we got in there? Oh my goodness, there's so many.
Oh.
What's that? Do you know?
It's a seal.
Walrus. Really cool walrus.
Oh, there's a turtle here.
Turtle. What else do you have there? Do you remember what that's called?
A dolphin.
That's a seal.
Oh, a seal. Pretty cute, seal.
Some more coral.
Whoa.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. We're just taking it all out at one time.
Oh,
A really cool seal.
Let's get the plant
Yeah, let me show them all the other pieces. We've got a starfish.
Oh, look.
Oh, those are neat. Do you know what that's called? Seahorse.
A seahorse.
Seahorse. And then there's also
Oh.
a stingray or a manta ray.
No, it's a stingray.
I think so.
Uh-huh.
And then there's a cool octopus.
Oh, I found the crab.
That's a lobster.
Oh, the laughter.
There's a lot in here. So let's see. How many pieces did we get, Kyla?
1,
2, 3,
4,
5,
5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 different types of sea creatures or things from the ocean.
Oh.
I love that there's a carry case because we can put everything back in here, which is so awesome for organized moms. We try to be.
Wow.
Whoa! What do you got, Kyla?
Oh.
That's a big mat.
No.
Here, you hold up that side. I'll hold up this side so they can see it. Cool.
I can see.
It's really big and it's soft, which is so nice for the kids to play on. Okay, let's put all the toys on top.
Okay.
Now this normally would go on the floor,
Oh, Mom.
but for the video we thought it'd be
Look.
easier to see on the table here.
Look.
So I was trying to figure out how we could make this a little more interactive as a teaching tool, but make it fun at the same time. So I found this really cool app. It has nothing to do with the box. They're not related, but I still wanted to make it interactive. It's called the Amazing World Ocean app, and I've put it on the screen. I know you can only see it a little bit, but I wanted to show you what it was all about. It does have a cool, like, aquarium sound to it, which I think is kind of neat, since again, we can't go to the aquariums right now. Oh, Kyla's already showing you. And then you get to scroll through the different levels of the ocean, and you can see the different creatures. And I'm going to show you here. We've got a turtle. You just click on it, and then it tells you all the facts about the turtle. So not only does it show you how big they are, where they're located, what countries that they're found in, what oceans, I should say. It also can read to you if you're not able to read or your child wants to do this on their own.
Sea turtles are turtles that live in the world's
sea turtle, Kyla?
oceans. There are 7 species.
How cool
One
is that?
leatherback,
I just thought this
and
was
6
so
hard-shelled
neat.
sea turtles.
So it's great for
All sea
homeschooling,
turtles
or like I
are
said, if you're trying to
usually
figure out
found in
ways to
water,
make
with
science
most
a little more
species
interactive
only
for your little
appearing on
ones.
coastal beaches to lay their.
So then you can keep scrolling, and then they give you a 3D view of the turtle, and you can move the turtle around and Kyla was playing with this earlier, so it's very kid-friendly as well. And you can see all the parts of the turtle. Oh, shark. And then they also show you gallery pictures. You can go through and look at the different pictures. Do we want to find the shark on here? All right, let's learn a little bit about the shark then. Oh, they're way down deep. Look, does that look like your shark?
Look at my shark.
Okay, so do you think that's the great white shark?
Great white shark.
What?
The large and extremely aggressive white shark is considered by most experts to be the most dangerous shark in the world.
So this is also great for girls and boys. I think that this is fun. Obviously, you see Kyla really likes it. She even has her fish shirt on, right? All right, and look, so you can see the different parts of the shark. Let's go back to the ocean screen. So the pieces are very detailed, and they're bigger than what I had expected actually from the pictures. But there's a whole lot of details on these. I'm gonna try to show you one. Oh, the shark got you. Like, look at this walrus. Look how detailed that is. What do you think, Kyla? What's your favorite one? That's the walrus.
I like
The whale.
the whale.
That's a beluga whale. What's this one? That's a dolphin.
Oh yeah.
Remember we saw those at the beach?
Yeah.
So see, it's really good detail.
I love the dolphin.
What are you guys doing at home right now? Are you guys using things like this to help educate your kids? I would love to hear some of your thoughts. What are you guys doing? I would love some ideas because I'm kind of learning as I go here too. So, what do you think, Kyla?
Good.
Is this a cool toy to have?
Yeah.
Do we give it a thumbs up? Thumbs up. All right, guys, make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Happy playing.
Hello guys, so I am back and I am on the floor, and this is a dolphin, this is a baby stingray, and this is a shark, and this is a turtle, a beluga whale, and a walrus, and there's a lobster, this is a crab, and this is a starfish, and this is a seahorse, and the octopus. I'm in the water. See? Ta! This is a seahorse. And goodbye, my